How are you doing? Miles.
Hi, Miles.
Nice,
How are you doing?
nice to meet you.
Good.
Okay. And do you have ID? Do you have ID with you? Yeah, just a bear.
Omo, can you go to the back? There's a bag that I just put in. It has the list of products. I'll put it on video so you can see it. It's like a, like the TJ Maxx or the bag on top of the thing. Yeah, it's like the TJ Maxx bag. Just open it. You'll see the list in an envelope. Yeah. The envelope is a white envelope. There's a white envelope. You'll see it. Yeah, please. Thanks.
It's really close. Okay, it did not damage.
Omo.
Should be good. You can just test. Okay, yep. I just received it, and then here's just business card just in case.
Thank you
Yeah,
so
you're
much.
welcome.
Thanks a
All right,
lot.
you're welcome. Have a good day.